So today I'm over here in Tiverton, Rhode Island, going to the hose connection. I'm going to be picking up some parts so I can change my 36-inch Lance gun combo into a stubby gun. What a friendly dog too, that dog's nice. So here's what you'll need. 1/4-inch male quick connect. You're going to need a female plug 1/4-inch. You need some channel locks, vice grips, and some Teflon tape. And we can switch this over. It's cheap and easy to do. Now, I loosened this up earlier because this was a pain to get off, but you can see how I'm doing it here. I loosened it earlier, so just remove that. You're going to remove the 36-inch Lance from the gun. Then you're going to take some, I bought this at AutoZone, but you can get it at like any hardware store, Teflon tape, and wrap that around the threads so you get a good seal, because it's a 4,000 PSI pressure washer I use, so you want to make sure you seal it good. So once you get that on, it's ready to go. I cleaned up that little piece hanging off. You're going to screw this male quick connect into the gun. And I had to really work at that to get it tight because of the tape. It kind of made it a little tough, but a few more turns with the wrenches and got it as tight as I could. You want to get it real tight, keep the seal. And then here I am fighting with it and fighting with it. But I got it on there nice and tight. So now that end's ready. Now here's for the Lance. And I have two Lances. I got a 36. I'm not sure the other one's longer, but it came with the pressure washer. But I like the shorter one that I use all the time. And then I got a stainless steel plug, 1/4-inch. And that'll go onto the Lance. Now you can go as a quick connect. You can just pop out the longer Lance. I got the other one. I'm going to set that one up too, the real long one. And then I can go right from the tip in the gun or either Lance that I want to use. And I would recommend get like extra O-rings. I get them at that hose connection. They're real heavy duty. They seem to last forever, but they tend to go if you use it the tip just right in the gun. The pressure, I guess, builds up and they blow out. But if you keep some extras, it's not a big deal. And I think the new ones I got, because they're so heavy duty, I don't think there'll be any problem. The last ones I had were from like, I don't know, one of the auto stores. But there you go, the Lance. And then if you want, you can switch, go to the shotgun. And that's great for like tight spots. If you're up on a peak or somewhere, like a questionable area, and you don't want to be like hanging back off the ladder to try to get it, you can go right at it with the shotgun. And there you go.